Today, I'm going to show you how to create a template for documenting patient symptoms as part of the HPI, capturing both what the patient reports having and what they explicitly deny. So here's what we want to create. We want to generate a phrase that says, the patient complains of X but denies Y. These are the symptoms. If the patient has no symptoms, we want to display the patient describes no pain. Now let's build the template together. The first step is to define our symptoms list. So we right-click, select Variables, choose New Fill-in, and enter the variable name. Now we can enter our symptoms. We want to enable multiple selections, so we change our selection to multi. Currently, we are just displaying the symptoms. We use custom text to make the entire sentence make sense. We click on the Selection button to insert the selected items into the custom text. Here we can see the custom text box displaying our custom text, followed by a placeholder that represents any checked items. And now we can see that in action. We want to display items that were not checked here, so we enable custom negative text and then enter the text we want to display. Just like we did before, we click Selection. And now we can see the custom text followed by a negative placeholder that represents the items that are not checked. Now we want to go a step further by choosing Yes, No, NA. Yes items will go into the positive phrase. No items will go into the negative phrase, and NA items are just ignored and produce no output. Finally, we set the NA custom text that will be shown when all items are set to NA. And now we can see everything in action. Notice the text displayed when no items are checked. We can see the template generates custom text based on whether we select Yes, No, or NA.